Hi guys, it's Jill here from Lavender and Friends, your source of essential oil education and inspiration. I wanted to do a video today to let you know that you might have points or commissions sitting in your account that you don't know about. Now, obviously I don't want anyone missing out on any free stuff, so I was going to show you how you can check if you have any points or commissions, how you can earn those points and commissions, and just a bit of information, education, my usual stuff. So, what are points and commission? What am I actually talking about? So in doTERRA, you have two options when you enroll. You can be a wellness advocate or a wholesale customer. Now, both of these get the same price. They get the 25% discount off retail. They're both eligible to participate in the loyalty rewards program, which is the monthly ordering program. They both have access to free oils, to lots of ongoing education, all the good stuff. But there's one big difference between the two, and that is that a wellness advocate can earn commissions and a wholesale customer cannot. So for those of you that are watching, I could love it if you popped in the comments and tell me, are you a wholesale customer, a wellness advocate, not yet enrolled, or have absolutely no idea which one you are? So, as I said, a wholesale customer can't earn commissions, a wellness advocate can. Now, the way you can tell, and I'll show you when we log in, I am a wellness advocate. I obviously do this as a business. I earn an income from it. So I'm eligible for commissions. Now, the cool thing about this is if you are a wholesale customer or a wellness advocate, either one, you can still be eligible to earn points. Now, what am I talking about when I say points? In doTERRA, every product has a dollar value and a point value. So when you're purchasing your products, you can actually pay using your money or using your points, and you can earn the points for free from doTERRA. There's three ways you earn points. The first is when you're on the loyalty rewards program, you get your shipping back as points. Anytime you buy something, whatever you pay in shipping, 8 points. So if you pay $8, you'll get 8 points in shipping back. Second way you earn points is if your loyalty rewards program order, that's your monthly order, is over 50 points, then you'll earn a percentage back as points. And when we log in, I'll show you how to check what percentage you're on. Generally speaking, you start on 10% back. Some of the starter kits do start on a higher percentage back. And obviously when you enroll, your enroller will go through that with you. So you can earn a percentage of points that way. And the third way you earn points is that throughout the year, doTERRA does different promotions. So anyone who enrolled in October and November, and there is still time left, we do still have today left, anyone who enrolls in October or November 2018 with an order over 125 points, so that's your Home Essentials kit, your Nature Solutions kit, your oil sharing kit, even you could just pay for the membership fee, the $35 membership fee, and just pick and choose products that add up to 125 points. You will get a bonus 50 points from doTERRA. So if you enrolled in October, your 50 points should actually already be in your account. If you enroll in November, they'll probably show up around the mid to end of December. So with these points, you can then cash them in whenever you like. They do expire after 12 months, so don't wait too long, but you can just cash them in at any time to buy products. Now, with commissions is money doTERRA gives you. So obviously, if you are enrolling people and doing it as a business, you are going to be eligible for commissions. Now, to be eligible for commissions, you need to do a 100-point LRP order for that month. So the month you do a 100-point order, you'll be eligible for commissions. So maybe if you hosted a class and you did 100 points that month, but then the following month you didn't host a class, you dropped your points down. That's okay. You just need to have 100 points sitting in your LRP cart to let the computer know that you are eligible for commissions. And then obviously you need to have processed a 100-point order that month as well. If you're a bit confused, chat to your enroller and they can run through this with you. And but the reason I bring this up is some people don't even realize where to find the points, where to find the commissions, or that they have commissions or have points. And the reason for this is if you enroll someone, you'll be eligible for commission. But the way doTERRA works is with wellness advocates, you place people one under another. So if you are a wellness advocate, it is entirely possible you might have people placed underneath you. If that's the case, you don't need to panic, you don't need to contact them, it's okay. But what it does mean is you may be eligible for commissions based on them, even though you didn't actually enroll them, which is kind of cool. But the thing is, some people don't realize. Now, obviously, everyone's situation is unique and different. I can't comment for anyone other than myself. And again, you want to be chatting to your enroller about if you have any commissions, what to do. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to log into my account and show you how you can tell if you're a a wholesale customer or a wellness advocate, and where to find your points and commissions. Now, my back office is going to look a little bit different to yours, potentially, because as I said, I'm a wellness advocate. Now, for those that are watching, I'd love if you could pop in the comments, where are you guys watching from, just while I log in. All right, so we can see I'm at mydoterra.com, which is my website. Can someone tell me if you can see this? Can you just pop in if you can actually see my screen now? Just check the screen share is working. I put in my doTERRA ID, which is my ID number. I then pop in my password and I hit submit. And it's going to bring me up and say, what would you like to do? Do you want to look at your loyalty rewards program order? Now, I am a wellness advocate, which means up the top, I've got a few different tabs. It says dashboard, shop, team, business group, message center, my website. If you're not a wellness advocate, so if you're just a wholesale customer, you won't have all those tabs. It'll be much simpler up there. Oh, good. Sweet. Thanks, guys. Thanks for letting me know. So here's how you can tell if you have points and commissions. 2 places. First one, click on your LRP cart, and it's going to bring you to your LRP cart here. Now, obviously I don't live at Fake Street. I changed my address just for this video. But you can see here my order for the month. I've got my Lifelong Vitality, because I take that every month. I've got my Rose Lotion. I've got my Lavender, because we are out again. Actually, for those of you watching, who's on LRP? Yes, no? Anyway. So down here, you can see my remaining rewards points. I have 411 points. And apply AR balance. So I've got $2,362 of AR balance. Now, AR balance stands for accounts receivable. It is money. It is doTERRA is giving me money. Now, I can actually send a form into doTERRA and get that money sent straight to my bank account. Super easy. I just email it in, say, here's my bank account, send the money to my bank account. Or I can apply that to my order and cover the cost of my oils. Now, when I was first starting out, obviously I applied it straight to my my order, so I got my oils for free. I have actually only ever paid for my first ever order, which is pretty sweet. What I do now is I leave it in there till it gets to, a couple of grand, and then I transfer it to my bank account, just as it goes. So what you do is, firstly, if you want to use your points, you would just click here. So say, for example, I decided I wanted to get some I'll get some lemon, because I actually do need some lemon. So you type in lemon, add it to my cart, and then I go, oh, sweet, actually I'll just use my points to pay for that. So instead of paying Australian $13.50, I'm going to use my points, like this, and it's using up 12.5 points. So instead of spending $13, I'm using 12.5 points. And you can see down here, my points have now dropped. Now, when you redeem your points, when you cash in your points, there is a $3 point redemption fee. Doesn't matter if you're using 5 points or 500 points. So what I like to do is save all my points up and then do one massive big shopping order. Now, 1 or 2 things I will mention. First of all, if you are in the US warehouse, their point value is a bit better than ours. So for example, in Australia, to buy Melissa with points is 230 something points. In America, it's only 160 something points. So your points go a bit further in America, which is awesome. The flip side, downside is, in Australia, we pay flat shipping rate. We pay $8. That's it. Doesn't matter if you're ordering 1 lip balm or you're ordering $1,000 worth of stuff. In America, the price of shipping depends on how much you buy. Even when you're redeeming points and you're not actually paying any money, they look at the value of the product and then charge the shipping accordingly. So you can get a bit stung by the shipping costs, just heads up. All right, so that's what we do if we want to use our points. Then we can see here, I've got commission. And if I want to use that, I would just click apply AR balance. And it says to apply your balance, you must process the order now by clicking checkout. Do you want to apply your AR balance? Obviously, I'm not putting my order through right now, so I'm just going to click no. But that just shows you how you can check if you have points or if you have commissions. I have one beautiful lady on my team who didn't realize she had over $400 in commissions sitting in her account. Because what happened is she had a class, and then someone from the class had a class, and then someone from that class had a class. And the way doTERRA works with commissions, there is a thing called the fast start bonus. So you get 20% of whatever anyone you enroll buys. But if they go and enroll someone, they get 20% and you get 10%. And then if that new person goes and enrolls, the new person gets 20%, your friend gets 10%, and you get 5%. So this lady had one class, but there had been so many different enrollments that had spiraled out from this class that she actually had quite a lot of commissions sitting in there, which was pretty cool. Also, there is another thing called Power of 3 bonus, which is where if you have 3 people directly underneath you and they do a certain amount of ordering, like if they order a certain amount of products, then you actually get a US $50 bonus every single month. And there's also uni level, which is where you earn a percentage of everyone beneath you. So there's actually, it's quite easy to earn commissions, which is why I love doing doTERRA. Another place you can look as well, which I'll show you, is your dashboard. So if you click on your dashboard, you can see here, so my point value is 30%. So I currently get 30% back on my loyalty rewards program. If I put through a 100-point order, I'm going to get 8 points from my shipping. $8 shipping means 8 points. And I'm also going to get 30% back. So I will get 30 points back. So in total, when I do a 100-point order, I actually get 38 points back. That's kind of like walking into Kohl's and paying $100 and getting a gift card for $38 back. Just sweet. All right, so, and here you can see how many points I have as well. I'm not going to scroll down because there is personal information on my team, so I'm going to stop there. But that's basically it. That's how you can check and see what your commissions are and what your points are. Now, I don't want anyone to miss out on their points or commissions, so I thought I'd do this little video to help you. So I hope you find it really useful. If you do like my videos, I'd love it if you could make sure you're following my page. I also have a lot of videos on YouTube as well. And if you want more education, you can always follow my page and jump into my Facebook group, which is the Oil Squad. Now, if you don't yet have any oils and you're thinking, hey, 50 free points sounds good, that's like $60, $70, there is still 1 day left. There's actually a little less than 1 day left, so send me a message. We can help you get started, or read the pinned post on my Facebook page, which shows you how to start your own account, or just jump start on my website, which is www.lavenderandfriends.com. Now, as I said, if you are a wellness advocate, you might have people placed underneath you by the person who is above you. Don't need to contact them, don't need to do anything unless obviously your enroller has reached out to chat to you about that. But just to be aware of, you could have some commissions sitting in there that you don't know about. And especially since this was a BOGO month, and I know a lot of people put through 100-point orders that normally wouldn't, our commissions get paid after the 15th of the following month. So if you check back again in sort of mid to end December, you might have a nice surprise sitting in there. All right, that's all for me. Just to finish up, one last question. If you found some mysterious commissions in your account, what would you spend it on? I'd love to know what your, I guess, wish list of oils is. And that's all for me. Hope you guys have found this video really helpful. See ya.